Across. Tries to create, dispossessed. Evil look towards the referee, but only whistle from the stands. Busquets one touch, right back to Messi. Ready to play again, weaves through two, blasts it high, and over the crossbar.
Continuing his stellar.
Messi. Two in the box. Doesn't need him because he finds Jordi Alba, and then the return pass just scooped wide.
Again, 5 Barcelona bodies inside the box. The fullbacks essentially playing as wingers, allowing the rest of the wide men to tuck inside. Look at all those bodies so close together. And Messi there just trying to invent on the fly and figure out how to get this ball past Gabriel.
Since we've seen from Dani Parejo than we have all season long.
He's had no choice.
Messi contorts his body, sends it wide. Second crack, whoa, and deflects just behind Suarez. Good try, Iniesta. And now Vidal for another corner. Busquets setting the target line. Messi going near post, and Piqué almost caught it.
Begging for that near post
in the first half, as they almost get one here. They've scored 42 in the second stanza.
Wasn't the best marking either. Piqué just got by all 3 Valencia players. No one really staying stride for stride with the big center back. There's that return ball, and Dominic, what an important touch that was. Suarez thought he had an easy tap, and it's the slightest graze.
Montoya pokes it free, knotted down. Montoya with the left, and almost sends that one. Promising young Spanish youth international Ferran Torres, who is dressed today. Messi on the turn. Valencia backs off. Tight angle, and couldn't quite sneak it home.
They had to take that extra touch because the path to goal was blocked, and then in the end it was way too narrow of an angle. If anyone can pull this off, it is Messi, but right there he thought about the shot. It was blocked off well by Coquelin, and from this position he always tipped Dominic.
Good defense here from Montoya. On the turn, Rodrigo. In for Parejo, low, but Silicen gets low quick.
Oh, that left his foot so well. One of the first times we've seen Parejo get a little bit forward. He's already got 4 goals on the season. He's capable of striking from this distance. Good technique on the shot.
Almost. And again, Gabriel. Iniesta again for Alba, though. Finding Messi in the box. Stutter steps to the goal line. Chips it across. That's it! Better by Suarez! And it's in the back of the net! Finally, the dam breaks.
Beautiful cross over the top. It goes right ahead of the entire Valencia back line. And Luis Suarez from this position, complete touch on the ball. Here's the combination there between Alba and Messi. And Messi with the most delightful chip over the top of the entire defense. No one's marking on Suarez as Gaia went more centrally. Look how close Gaia is. There's no one there. I'm not sure why Gaia is so close to Coquelin. There was no Barcelona player in the vicinity. Completely lost his man.
But look at this. Trying to play goalkeeper, Gaia actually catches it with his hand. Or should I say, touches it with his hand.
It's bizarre.
If they want to try and make up this goal differential today. Whipped in by Coutinho, a diving stop by